Riding today, riding a 250. Planning to go big. Let's get this thing loaded up. Tight fit. Professional. That should conclude it. Locked in, going nowhere. Got new knee braces loaded up, 2 pairs of goggles, fresh wash set of O'Neill gear, my chest protector, and then my new helmet. Gonna see what we can do today. Got these riders in front of me. John and Bradley. Rolled up. Hits are full today. Gotta make the best of it. Just got back from first moto. You know, the new knee braces need a little break-in time, so wasn't really feeling it, so I took them off. We're gonna go out for Moto 2 without them, see how much better we ride. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on for Moto 2. Yeah, just scraping mud. Go, one thing women are good for, cleaning. Scraping the mud. Yeah, we're still rolling.
All right, how was Moto 3?
Yeah, Moto 3 was, Moto 3 was, it didn't go as good as I thought it would, I won't lie. They watered the track right before I went out, so it was, it got really rough, and I won't even lie, the hands cramped pretty bad. But we did throw a couple whips here and there. We're getting the feel for the 250, sitting in the AC now. It's nice 86 degrees right now, probably a good 60-70% humidity. It's pretty warm out there. But we're going to go out for Moto 4 and see what we can do. Watching the GoPro footage back, looks like the camera could use a little readjustment. Got to be pointed up a hair more. We'll get it dialed.
Moto 5 go?
That was Moto 4. But definitely felt comfy on that one. You know, I don't know how the whip videos came out. I can't check them yet, but
All right, so all in all, how was the moto today?
Yep, so last moto we just did, all we did was throw whips, trying to get some good pictures. I can feel raindrops right now. Loading up at the right time. We're loaded up, we're heading home.
Home, they call me Big Al, and I hit dingers.